recently was coming off of services and a van basically was reversing and crashed into my car as well. And if I didn't have a dash cam at that time, they could have easily washed off their hands. This is going viral at the moment on the TikTok shop. This is a budget-friendly dash cam that almost 14,000 customers have bought on the TikTok shop. So let's explore all the features of this amazing dash cam. First of all, you get a really nice and bright screen, which along with the picture-in-picture option, so you can actually watch both the cameras at the same time. The main dash cam camera is 1080p, so full HD quality. On the side, you have another camera which you can actually swivel up to 180 degrees. So this one you can use it if you want an in-car setup, especially if you are someone who drives Uber and cabbing. This could be really helpful in case of an unfortunate event. You have an in-car footage for insurance and police. However, if you don't want an in-car camera, you can actually remove this as well. This just comes off, so you remove that, the picture-in-picture will go away, so you have the entire screen to watch from a front camera. So absolutely amazing camera quality. You do get all your accessories, car dashboard, you have your attachments as well. You do get obviously a 12-volt charger. The best part about this is right now, guys, if you're buying this through this video, you will get a guaranteed 64 GB card thrown in absolutely free of cost, which means you don't need to buy an extra memory card. That's included under £20 at the moment. Absolutely cracking deal, guys. So what are you waiting for? Tap the yellow bars and grab this viral dash cam on the TikTok shop at an amazing deal via just this video only, guys.